Today, May 9, ZTE Mobile officially released a new generation of ZTE Axon 40 Ultra. Therefore, let's take a closer look at all aspects and consider what the new phone model represents. ZTE Axon 40 Ultra uses the Snapdragon Gen 8 flagship chip and has its own specs in terms of screen, performance, etc. It is officially called Born for Big Scenes. Naifei, Senior Vice President of ZTE and President of the Terminal Business Unit, said, ZTE Mobile has always maintained a young fighting spirit and desire for innovation on the road of technological innovation. Axon has also established a number of global firsts for the industry. As an imaginative new flagship product, ZTE Axon 40 Ultra not only has cool black technology, but also achieves both art and technology, helping users to control every big scene. Truly brave those who help walk with the brave. ZTE Axon 40 Ultra adopts a new generation of flexible under-screen camera technology, which is the third generation of its commercial product technology, and this time there is really no evaluation lens, and it really has a complete screen form. The screen of the camera area under the new screen adopts 400 ppi high pixel density, full-screen blue diamond arrangement, and the visual fusion effect is better. The industry's first independent Pixel 1 Drive 1 technology. Each pixel unit is driven by a separate pixel circuit, and the screen display is clearer and finer. The circuit adopts distributed transparent wiring, which eliminates the aggregation of circuits at the edge of the screen, and the picture is more smooth and natural. The front camera has also been upgraded. The ZTE Axon 40 Ultra is equipped with a 16-megapixel front-facing under-screen camera, bringing greater light sensitivity to the under-screen camera area. The proactive Lingtong algorithm 3.0 uses AI in-depth learning to reduce noise and can perform real-time calibration of images in different light environments to achieve defogging, intelligent anti-glare, and improve imaging clarity and transparency. This new product is equipped with a 6.8-inch AMOLED screen, supports 1116 by 2480 resolution Full HD+, peak brightness can reach 1500 nit, 100% coverage of DCI-P3 wide color gamut, 10-bit color depth, 1.07 billion color display, bringing ultimate color and clarity. Also support 120Hz intelligent high refresh rate, 360Hz touch sampling rate. The 1440Hz high frequency PWM dimming function can effectively reduce the screen flicker in dark scenes, coupled with low blue light eye protection certification, high standard care for eye health. In terms of appearance, the ZTE Axon 40 Ultra adopts a 71-degree super curved waterfall surface design, and the 3.9mm bending degree is more suitable for the hand. The back adopts a rear camera frameless glass appearance, which perfectly hides the metal platform surface. Label Design 2.0 is more concise and pure. ZTE Axon 40 Ultra's three main camera configurations have been fully upgraded to create a 64-megapixel superhuman main camera, a 64-megapixel ultra-wide-angle main camera, and a 64-megapixel periscope telephoto. The main camera is the industry's strongest three main cameras, matching multiple industry-only powerful computing imaging capabilities. The new camera is the first in the humanities and wide-angle main camera industry to launch dual Sony IMX787 sensors, which can achieve dual full-pixel omnidirectional focusing and focus more quickly and accurately. One of the more distinctive ones is the humanity main camera, which uses a 35mm equivalent focal length, is equipped with a 7p lens, matches the f1.6 large aperture, and has a hardware-level optical blur effect. The wide-angle main camera adopts 16mm equivalent focal length, 4cm f macro, wide-angle macro 2-in-1, freeform surface ultra-low distortion. The telephoto main camera uses a 91mm equivalent focal length, 5.7x optical zoom from wide angle to telephoto, equipped with full system image stabilization, dual OIS optical image stabilization, and EIS image stabilization to keep every photo stable. ZTE Axon 40 Ultra, as the industry's three main camera phones with the same pixel, is the only product that supports 8K ultra high definition video recording and can capture thousands of details from a more comprehensive perspective. It is also the only three main cameras in the industry that are equipped with lightning capture. The Super Night Scene video function is further enhanced, and the AI Video Super Image Quality algorithm can improve the brightness of the picture, enhance the resolution and dynamic range of dark areas, reduce noise, and restore color information truly. In terms of hardware, ZTE Axon 40 Ultra is equipped with the new Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 with UFS 3.1 and LPDDR5 flagship configuration. ZTE Axon 40 Ultra is also equipped with Snapdragon sound and DTS stereo dual speakers, X-axis linear motor, 90 or 120 high frame rate, and experience a comprehensive and shocking upgrade. In addition, the new phone is also equipped with an infrared remote control, equipped with a powerful infrared code library, which supports taking pictures to identify the remote control, and quickly completes pairing. The phone provides 5000 mAh battery, an 80-watt super fast charge, independent security chip, support hardware encryption, and strong escort system security. This is my first hands-on review of the ZTE Axon 40 Ultra smartphone. If you have any questions, you can easily ask them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, have a nice day and see you soon.